Kamaia. Hea te nui o ngā moni ka whakawhiwhia e koe.
Au wihi te pātai rā. He hanga ua-uatanga mo te pātai mo te kakinga moni.
I ngā wā katoa I a koe e kōrero ana mo te moni, he kōrero tapu tēnā. They're like, yeah. Mataku!
Yeah.
He pātai tāku. Ka tae au tahi moni anō koa.
E kāo.
Looks like you need some help. The thing that you said about going in and asking for money straight away, I think never do that again.
Noted, yes.
Yeah. Just think about why it is that you want money in the first place. It's more about having a conversation about how things are going at work. Now, hey boss, I think I'm performing pretty well. I enjoy the leadership, I enjoy my team, putting in lots of hours because I'm really passionate. And then over the course of time, it sometimes becomes obvious to your boss that they should be paying you more.
I feel like I'm a bit more equipped to like go into that conversation now
Very
with a
good.
better like mindset
Very
and
good.
better game plan. Hopefully I'll be walking out more money. He ana kia kōrero.
Make sure you're really prepared in advance. So think about it, why it is that you want more money. If you're nervous, you probably want to tell yourself that you're excited. Kind of reframe that sense of anxiety to more of an excitement.
I te whakaroa and, kua roa taku noho ki konei ki tēnei kamupene, pūkenga, te hikinga o aku pūkenga I konei.
Don't just ask for the money straight out. Consider it part of a package of your employment. So things such as aspirations for the future, building up your leadership ability, taking on more responsibilities.
Kia oku whakaro koe tetahi o ngā tino mene o tēnei kamupene. I te whakaro au, mena rānei e tae ana kia riro I etahi moni I tetahi payrise.
Just be normal, consider it a conversation. You're not going to be in a boardroom setting. It's a nice conversation with your boss.
Tēnā koe boy, mo te hoki mai, te hiki nei o pōro te pātai mai ki au. Ka hui tahi ai tāua, kia whai rautaki mau te whiwhi moni. Kau e tangi anō ki roto e takitari, ne?
Don't expect it to go perfectly. Bosses get to the position where they are probably through doing what you're doing, and people are good at this game, so don't expect it to go exactly how you want it to.